नमस्ते, मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो सुई धागा इंदौर से। तो आज हम आपके लिए कुछ स्पेशल नहीं लाए, सुपर स्पेशल लाए हैं। यस, वी आर हियर विथ समथिंग न्यू एंड डिफरेंट फॉर यू। सो वी ऑल वुमेन सम और द अदर वे ऑलवेज हैव सम प्रॉब्लम विद अवर क्लोथ्स, समथिंग लाइक कुछ पहनने को ही नहीं है, ऑल्दो द वार्डरोब इज़ फुल ऑफ क्लोथ्स। जी हाँ, लेकिन आज मैं जो आपके लिए लाई हूँ, इट्स समथिंग like we all love our collections, whatever it's maybe kurtis, it may be sarees or lehenga, and especially हमारी दादी मम्मी मदर इन लॉज की जो साड़ियाँ होती है, वी ऑल जस्ट लव ऑल दो साड़ीज़, स्पेशली विद मी। आई जस्ट लव देयर कलेक्शंस, आई जस्ट लव देयर साड़ीज़। सो हियर what I have done today, like you can see, this is my mother's sari. It's very old sari, but I just literally love this sari. So you can see how I have given a fresh look to this sari. Yes, you got it right. How you can give a very fresh and different look to your sarees. This is what we are going to discuss today. इसी तरीके से मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि मैंने कैसे अपनी साड़ीज़ को एक फ्रेश डिफरेंट लुक दिया है। So you can see this is a pure cotton sari, a very regular pure cotton sari, has a temple border, ओके एंड इसके साथ मैंने मिक्स एंड मैच किया बिकॉज इट्स अ कॉटन साड़ी, तो मैंने इसके साथ एक कॉटन ब्लाउज ही टीम अप किया हुआ एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल पैच वर्क अजरक ब्लाउज। सो यू कैन सी बिकॉज दिस साड़ी हैज़ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी ऑन इट, सो मैंने इसकी स्लीव्स पे भी थोड़ा थोड़ा सा एम्ब्रॉयडरी हाईलाइटिंग किया हुआ है। डिज़ाइन एंड पैटर्न्स यू कैन चूज़ लाइक जैसा आपको चाहिए है। सो यू कैन सी हाउ आई हैव गिवन अ वेरी फ्रेश लुक दिस साड़ी एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू वेयर दिस। So in this way you also can give, okay, and we are here to help you out. So I'm going to show you few of the options also, how I have done this mix and match of giving a fresh look to our collection. So let me start. So I'll show you, this is my first sari. This is my own collection. This is all my sarees during I purchased my wedding time, because I am just love with bark since my childhood. So you can see this is my sari, a bark sari. Okay, the sari is still very nice, no problem with it. Only the thing is that या तो हम थोड़ा सा वेट पुट ऑन कर लेते हैं, और सम आर द अदर वे वी जस्ट वांट टू गेट इनटू विद द फैशन ऑल्सो। ओके, सो नाउ द फैशन इज 15-16 इंच के ब्लाउजेज, लॉन्ग ब्लाउजेज, पॉकेट ब्लाउजेज, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कर्ट्स एट द ब्लाउजेज। तो यू कैन सी टू गिव अ फ्रेश लुक टू दिस साड़ी, I have just came up with this blouse, a very different simple shower blouse of 15 inches, a simple cuts, side zip and a elbow sleeves. So see, this is how I have given a fresh look to this sari, and at the same time I have added few fabric tassels. You can see a fabric tassels on these sarees. So this is also one of the style. With the help of that you can give a fresh look and a different look. So this is the first sari, then this again the second one, again the bag a very regular basic off white color of bag sari, you can see, और इसको भी मैंने टीम अप किया, a very fresh look. This is my sari. So this is my sari, a lovely park sari, you can see, and I have teamed up with this gorgeous blouse. The different prints of the same colors and the blouse, you can see the sleeves we have given. So you know, this gives a very trendy smart, because hand blocks are never out of fashion. Okay, and you can give the style you want. See, it's look very classy. Again, I have added few tassels, a different style of tassels with double fabrics because I love tassels. I just love different kind of tassels to be added on my sarees. So this is what experiments I have done with my sarees. Okay, so now the next one is again my favorite color. It's a mustard yellow, and of course a beautiful sari of Lucknowi. It's a handwork Lucknowi chikankari, you can see. And see, I have added a beautiful lovely kalamkari blouse to it. See, front is this, and at the back I have done this beautiful buta work and the back open with 3/4 sleeves. See, I'll show you the look of this sari. It's a lovely sari. See, and the blouse will give a very nice look. It's perfect, isn't it? And just add some beautiful black metal jewelry with it, like I generally do. So this is the third collection. Then this is my pure Georgette sari. See, it's a pure Georgette sari with a small beadwork has done, and I have added this lovely blouse with it because this sari has a work on it, a hand work, mirror work, small beads kind of. So in the same way I have done with this blouse, and I have added a contrast combination. साड़ी पे देखिए सारा ग्रीन कलर का वर्क किया हुआ है, but to give a contrast look I have added a navy blue color blouse to it. And generally I wear these sarees during summers, so I have given a blouse cut like this. So you know, we can design the pattern of the sari, where you are going to wear, how you are going to wear. These all my sarees generally I wear them in summers, so I have made the blouses with something accordingly, so it gives a very refreshing look. Now next is my Kanjivaram sari. It's a regular color of maroonish shade, and just to give a fresh look I have added these tassels on this sari. And blouse, of course I have added a contrast blouse. It's a glaze cotton blouse I have added, and done a mirror work on the neckline at the back because I love these booties. So generally I just want Master G to add these booties in my blouse. So this you can see we have done a back open, and on the sleeves we have added a frill pattern with a piping. So this is how you can also choose how you want to give a look to your sarees, what kind of fabric. And if you are confused, we are here to help you out with that also. So this is the one piece. Then again, as I have said, I just love cotton. So this is one of my mother-in-law sarees which I have taken from her and I have just added this kalamkari, beautiful kalamkari blouse to it. See, it's a very simple saree, but by adding this beautiful blouse you can give a very different look to this saree. Then it's my favorite. It's my Chanderi sari, and of course it's a Chanderi, so I have to give a very different look to it. So I have added, first thing, my favorite. As I've told you, I love tassels, I love booties, I love back necklines. So you can see I have added again these beautiful tassels to my sari. And after adding the tassels, I made this a beautiful dabu blouse. Yes, it's a kola dabu, beautiful print. You can see it's a lotus kamal ka phool, which are highlighted on the sleeves just to give a little bit tone of the red. You can see it's look gorgeous when I wear this sari. See, lovely combination. So generally I just love the combination of red and blue, so I thought of to give a very different look to this sari. I think generally we all have a collection of Chanderi, Maheshwari, Dabu. Okay, so we can add these all things to these sarees. Now the next, again the collection of Chanderi, as I have told you. It's a beautiful beige color sari of Chanderi, and again I have added the tassels. Tassels is totally a choice. If you people like it, we can add. If you don't, we can't. We won't. Sorry. And I have because it's a Chanderi silk, so to give a very little bit of party look, I have added this modal silk blouse to it, not the cotton one, because generally I wear these sarees in the get together or in the parties. So you can see, just to give a little extra heavier look, I have done a work at the back of this blouse and some contrast prints. I have used a front open blouse, half stamped collar, and if you want, I'll open it for you. You can see how the sarees will look. Very nice. See, this is the sari, and this is the perfect combination. See, got it? So we have so many ready blouses in the modal silk also, just to get in the idea. Every sari doesn't look nice with simple cotton blouses also, let me tell you, because as you can see, this is my Chanderi silk. So if I wear a cotton, simple cotton, so that doesn't give a very perfect look to the sari. So that's why I have added this modal silk ajrak blouse to it. In the same way, this is my pure craft bark sari. Again, I can do the mix and match of this sari with this blouse. So this is like we can make one blouse with 2-3 combinations also. So see, this is also looking very nice, because I don't want to get into 2 blouses, so I have just make the one blouses and somewhat contrast also. So this is how, इस तरीके से भी हम कर सकते हैं. Then of course a lady, how this can be possible कि we all don't have a dabu or indigo sari in our wardrobes. Generally everyone have, and I too just love the bag indigo. So this sari I will put it because again you people can see I have added tassels to this sari, and I have done a highlighting on this sari, and as I've told you, just to give a fresh and a different look, I have added this gorgeous blouse, of white creamish color, and the back this lovely embroidery of Ma Durga figure. See, and then just go out and rock, make others also feel little bit jealous how you team up with your sarees. See, so this is the combination with cotton indigo. When we are talking about ethnic things, and how could we miss out the collection of Maheshwari? Of course, this is my Maheshwar sari with a simple border, no work, nothing. So I have added a little bit of glaze cotton printed blouse to it. See, and a neckline, because it's a totally a simple sari, that's why I have given a little bit of frill with a moti work, added motis on it as well as on the sleeves, and at the back also you can see it's a back open blouse. So this is the Maheshwari sarees, how we have given a fresh look. And now it's the time for some pure Georgette sarees. This is my pure Georgette saree, and I have given a fresh look to this saree by adding this bandhani blouse. I have just added, you can see it's a pure red color, and I have added orange color and the combination of the green sleeves with a patti work. So you know, it's give a very ethnic look, a contrast combination. Generally a full color, I don't like, personally I don't like a red sari and the red blouse, so I have just added a contrast combinations, and you can just wear the green churis and your some jewelry of gota patti or the moti work kind of. So guys, this is what I have shared few of my collection, how I have given a fresh look to my sarees, which I just don't want to throw them away, don't want to give to anybody else because of the blouses, the fitting of the blouses, or the blouses are now out of fashion and we have to carry ourselves as per the fashions as always. So this is how I have done, change my wardrobe with new collection. In the same way you can also do it. And I'll just at the end I just want to add one more thing, that we have also given a fresh look by making this beautiful kurti. This beautiful kurti we have made out from a paper silk sari. Yeah, from the paper silk sari you can see this part was the pallu of the sari. Okay, and we have added the part of this, you know, you can also think about which sari will go with this pattern. So you know, you just see कि इसको हमने कितना अच्छा लुक दे दिया है. We have just done a embroidery in the front as well as on the sleeves. So generally with one sari, with one full sari, and this is the pant, you can see the pant is also there. So with one full sari we can create a complete set also. Okay, So if you don't want to go mix and match of all the sarees with the blouses also, so we can make some anarkalis also, some kurtis also, a complete full set also. So it's totally choice is yours how you want to get into it. So I'll just share a few options of mix and matching, giving a fresh look to your sarees. Do you like it, or you want me to add something else in the next videos? Do comments, do like, and if you really like my videos, subscribe and like my channel. It's Studio Sui Dhaga by Anuja Jain. As well as you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook also on the same name, Studio Sui Dhaga by Anuja Jain. Thank you so much.